Okay, at request of somebody else, sent mudguards. I thought I'd show you while my car's partly disassembled of how to fit them.
Not power.
So, on the underneath, I've already loosened up these 4 brackets, 4 screws, and the support screw there to loosen up the back. I'm trying to do this a lazy way and take as little as possible out. So, get rid of the dog bone, grab your drill, and in the rear hinge there's 2 screws. Take them out. It'll probably all fall apart as you do this, but it's easy to put it back together. So if you can, keep your thumb on it to hold it into place. Take them 2 screws out. Next up, middle plate, over the middle. Okay, so we're going to fasten this in now with 2 bolts. They're M320s. I personally chuck on a washer as well, just to be safe, because I'd rather fit it once than fit it twice. So that goes through the smaller hole. It should be a nice tight fit. Also, you need to go up to the 2mm, was it 2.5 speed bit. Let's go. First one in to hold it into place. We'll do final tighten afterwards. There's the second one. That's it. How easy is that? You can still see it moves clear. Plenty of space there. Hinge pins are cut out of the way. It's not going to catch on anything. It's nice and flexible. And this is running with RPM mudguards. Just because I got RPM arms on there, there's no point in switching out the arms at this point. So the only thing left to do then, dog bone back in, 4 bolts through the diff case, and 1 on the support arm. But I'll do that without you guys watching. See ya!